Did y'all know these 2021 2500 HT Chevy trucks have cabin filters? Were you wondering how to replace yours? Come on, let me show you. So just where is the cabin air filter? Well, it is behind the glove box. Now, I know you don't see it anywhere, and that's because it's literally behind the glove box. Now, Chevrolet says you need to replace this every 22,500 miles or every 2 years, whichever comes first. If you take a look down there, you will see kind of like a little stabilizer rod. So the first thing we want to do is get the stabilizer rod off of here. Now this is really simple. You can do this with your hands. I'm doing it with a screwdriver so you can see it easier. But you just want to push this to the left until it disconnects. And you can see it's disconnected now. Next up, we're going to squeeze the sides of the glove compartment so that we can get this piece that's right in here and the other piece that's right in here to come off. Just like that. That's the piece I was talking about. When you squeeze in, that allows it to come out of that hole over there. Same on this side. And that just comes down and pretty much falls right off. Now we can get a better look behind our glove compartment. Right up here is our cabin air filter. It is behind this plastic piece. Now what we need to do is get this off here. I tell you can push to get that to unclip, but I'm going to tell you it is much easier just to reach in here with your finger, pry it to the driver's side. I'll show it to you in a second. All right, so I have it released now, and what you want to do now, slide this plate to the driver's side and pull it out. This is what clips this into place. You can try and get it by pushing this in, but you are going to have a hard time doing that. Just get a finger in there and then just pry this out like that. It'll pop right out. Now that we have that out, you can see the filter. If you just reach into this corner, you can see it just bends in and you can pull it right out. All right, here is our gross and nasty filter. The GM part number on here is a 13508023. 13508023. So this is the one you want to buy. It has an arrow pointing down, so you can't install this incorrectly. Now, it's pretty gross. It needs to be replaced. I don't have a replacement on me. It was just a nice day, and I wanted to show you guys how to do this, so I'm going to order up one of these. I'm going to have to do this again. But you take your new one, and not your dirty, nasty one like I am, and you just slip it in to put this piece back on. These tabs need to slide into place. This slot needs to go into place. And then, of course, the end we talked about here clips back in. We are now in place where we can just slide it down and push all the way. We are locked in place over here, locked in place in the center, and with my fingers, I've locked our clip back in place. And then we work in reverse on the glove compartment door. We are going to put these right here. We're going to squeeze. That's locked in place. And then, don't forget to hook up our stabilizer rod over here. And that's, again, just a matter of reaching down with your fingers and popping that on. You might need to pull it out a little bit, but just like that, we are snapped back into place and done. Now you are ready to go for another 22,500 miles or 2 years, whichever comes first. If you want to see more videos about this truck, be sure to subscribe, like, comment. I'll see y'all down the road.